Hi everyone, I'm going to make a super quick video here, hopefully well under 5 minutes, on how to create a multi-view drawing once you've drawn an object in Onshape. So we're starting with these nice simple geometric shapes, and I have part 21 right here. You are most likely working on a different part, but the procedure is the same. So once you have your drawing completed to your liking, and all the sides are good and everything looks about right, um, you can always go up here to look at your isometric view. Choose isometric right here, and it gives you that view. Before I get going, I want to point out one more thing. These are my planes over here: top plane, front plane, right plane. So, for instance, I'm going to turn on my front plane so we can see it and look at front. That's the front plane. And so when I look at the front plane, what I see is, not surprisingly, the front view. So when I put this into a multi-view drawing, this is going to be my front view, which is about right. It's the most stable configuration, right? It's the widest dimension of the object. So that's going to be my front view. And if you drew it on a different plane, you're going to have different views. It's going to look different. And you'll get used to drawing on the right plane at the right time. But we'll just keep going here. Okay, so I'm going, I don't know, just back to this isometric view. And once you have your part drawn and completed, all you do is you go down here to the plus symbol and click on it once and create a drawing. Now, the first time you do this, you're going to see a bunch of options. These are basically all different papers and different units. Right, so A paper is, I think that's the standard 8.5 by 11. B paper's bigger, C is even bigger. There's different paper here, and different types of drawings require different papers. Perhaps you've seen architects unrolling a really big piece of paper to look at, drawings of a floor plan or a building or something like that. Anyway, we're going to work on this this ANSI A inch paper. This means A paper, and it's in inches. Here's the same size paper, but it's in millimeters. So when you have a choice, choose this one here and hit OK. And it's going to say, select a part or assembly. Okay, well, there's only one part here. We only have one drawing here, part 21. So there's only one part to choose from. So I choose it. You'll see a little light box, and as I move to, it's going to put in my front view. See, so view orientation front, and it's going to put in my front view. And we know that front views go down in the lower left corner. I just click it once. I'm just mousing up, and there's my ISO view, my isometric view. Now it turns off. So I go click on this one again, and I drag it up here for the top view. And I think I've decided that I do want to look at this right side view over here. Let's see if it does it automatically. I'm sorry, I want to look at the left side view. So actually I don't like that view right there. So what I'm going to do, because I want to be able to dimension this cutout here without drawing leader lines all the way across, and I don't want to put numbers out here. So I'm going to erase this one just by clicking on it and hitting escape. Oops. By clicking on it and hitting delete. I'm going to go back up here to insert. I'm going to go back up here to insert. Wait a second here. Insert view. Yeah, there we go. And I'm going to look at the left side, left. I'm going to put it right here. Because I just want to put, you'll see in a minute what I'm doing here. Okay, good. That's about right. And now I'm done, so I hit escape. Now, first thing I'm going to do is right click on this. That's a right click on a mouse or a double click on a trackpad. And I'm going to show my shaded view. Okay, that was easy. I go to my dimension tool and I start just describing dimensions that are needed for this object, such as, what's the height of this piece here? Well, it's from here, click, another click, it's 1 inch. Okay. When you have your dimension tool turned on, which I do, whenever I click on it, it's going to first tell me the length of that thing. Right? So for example, I want the height, the total height of this object. And when I first click, so that's going to be from here to here. When I first click on this line, it's going to tell me its length. But when I click on a second line, it tells me the distance between those two lines. Okay, so I'm going to put those two numbers there. Notice I'm on the inside of the geometry here. What else do I want to know? Well, let's see. I want to know how high this is to here. But I don't want to put that number out here. That's why I do this drawing here. So that number is this number right here. Okay, I already have that height. I have the total height. And I don't have the width of the thing yet. So let's do that right here. Escape out and turn back on here. Let's do that right here. The width of this thing is 1 inch. And I would also like the width of this, but I don't want to put numbers out here, so I'm going to do that up here. Right? How wide is that right there? From there to there? Well, it's right here. From here to here is 1 inch also. Let's see here. And we have this piece as 1 inch already. That's right here. Okay. So what else do we need to know? Well, we need to know how long this thing is. How long is that right there from there to there? Well, that's right here, from here to here. Oh, I think I did it. Hold on, I missed my clicks. I just hit escape, turn my dimension tool back on. Somehow I missed the clicks. 1, there's the other one. That's 2 inches right there. And let's see, what else do I need? Do I have the overall length yet? No, I don't have the overall length yet either. So maybe, you know, you could put it here. You could put it right here on this picture. You can put it up here on this picture. This picture already has a number right here below it, and there's nothing right here for this one. So let's do it here to here. Let's do it, just trying to think if we have that number yet. Oh, we need this too. So let's do this first. From here to here is 4, but from here to here is 5. And I do think I'm about done here. I don't think I missed anything. Let's see here. We have this length here. That's right there. That's 2 inches. We have the height of that thing right there. That's 1 inch right there. We have the total height of the block. That's the 3 inches here. We have the length of this section up here. That's the 4 inches right there. We have the total length of the block. That's the 5 inches there. How thick is the thing? It's about, the thickness is a 1 inch is across the top, and another 1 inch is right here. So that would get us our 2 inches for the that thickness, and the 1 inch for that thickness. We are all done. There's a multi-view drawing ready to snapshot and insert. All right, peeps, have a good day. Talk to you soon.